Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series, and we have some very big announcement for you guys as well in a bit. But please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord down below in the description. And yes, we have started doing figures for Patreons. We have two figures for this month and two figures for next month, and we're going to be looking at it as well. It's only $5, and the more patrons we get, the more figures we'll get. It will still be at $5 for the figure. Unless you're selling, it'll be $20 and still be $20 for it. There is a voting tab in my Discord to see which one you want to vote for October. So you just put in the name of the character and a picture of it as well. And then we'll vote for it on the Patreon poll and see which one will be getting it done as well. So let's take a look at what we got. I do pay for these artists to make these for me in many ways. This one, I forgot her name, is Riesti, I believe it is. It's one of those I forgot what the anime of the legendary. It's like a salary man became an adventurer. I mean that's caused a very long anime adventure. But this is the dark elf that's wearing the what so-called bunny suit that will be coming up for this month of August. It is done, as you can see, Lance Fantasy Gaming. I wish he did it in the bottom, but that is fine too. Or you could just send that sucker off if you don't want to see my name. But yeah, so we have this one that is going to be coming up. Oops, wrong one. In many ways. Okay, we got this. The other one is Ellen Joe for it, and we are still. I'm giving him some stuff. You gotta fix the cheek, make the boobs a little bit bigger, a whole bunch of stuff for it. There is a lot better one that I wanted was like this with the bigger boobs. I like this one better. But and also we got the big shark fin, thick thighs for it. This was originally was supposed to look like, but if I put in legs and stuff, I told him about it. I like this look a lot for it. I like big busty ladies, if you can see. And for September, we have two Daisegia characters. We got Evil Eye that's kind of come up as well. And they're going to be, some of them will be 32 millimeters and 1/6, all of them will be 1/6 scale. And some of them will be 32 millimeters for your tabletop gaming as well. We also have the Succubus from Daisegia. These from different artists, as you can see, which one for it. And for me, it's for this. I'm trying to figure out which 3D sculptor I really like to have and just pay him a full-time salary. If Patreon goes off and he just makes me models for me to sell for it, and hopefully be profitable. I'll be selling it on Cult 3D, Gumroad, and My Mini Factory for it. We also have a bonus one. I don't know how I'm going to fit this in. This is the Mist Caretaker anime one with wearing the bathing suit as well in many ways. But yeah, I think it looks really good. This must be a bonus one. I'll probably do like after 150 Patreons, I believe, a bonus. I'll probably put it on the what you so call it thank you page. I see. No, not no welcome pics for it. And I'm trying to see if you got some other ones. No, these are it. The only five figures I paid for out of my pocket. And hopefully, this will grow provision. My goal is to get as much Patreon as possible to get at least 4 to 6 figures out for $5 a month, and at least leave me with some of the profit as well, because I am having a kid next year in February 13th. Before or after, I do not know. Um, and I would like to get, you know, do something to actually help while I'm at school and stuff. I have money and funds to take care of my kid throughout his 18 years of me raising, responsibility, parenting, and many other ways. And yes, yes, crying, no sleep. Yeah. But it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the Patreon thing as well. Once I get the thing out, I mean Discord. Sorry. So we got the Discord that we're going to be looking through as well. So I think your Patreon member, it is in. You have a Patreon thing here. You get your votes for it. The for uh, October, October. Um, please leave name and picture of the character. And you have the Patreon update for it. I'm gonna be starting putting stuff in it. I mean the Discord update for it. Then we will have. I'm slowly working on it right now. We only have one. We have 4 free members. That's fine. And we are going to be slowly, maturely. I'll be working on this thing like a hawk and try to get everything done smoothly as possible for it. We have a lot of stuff here for you guys, a lot of old videos, a lot of NSFW stuff here that you probably will not able to see without paying a dollar for it. But a lot of the free stuff you'll see with the pictures and everything else. But for $5, and it's going to be in the shop. And for every month, you just download it off the shop. And when that end of the month goes in, then you can pay the full price. And I have the discount code for it if you are a Patreon member. So you pay like I think 25% discount, I believe that would be probably a good deal because it'd be jump to $5 to $10 when the month ends. Then with 25, it'd be like $7, 7.50 for it. It's not that bad, but I could do probably 50% off, and so you just pay for $5. But we'll see how many patrons we get for it, and see how that goes in many ways, and hopefully we can get a lot of stuff done. With more funding, I can get more miniatures, more paint, better camera, better computer. I can upgrade so much more for it because I do YouTube as a hobby, and I also, want to try and make some money off of it as well. Not everyone needs to make money, especially in this economy right now. It's atrocious in many ways. But yeah, we are going to try and get stuff done and trying to get everything cleaned up and be more productive in here. And hopefully, I'll be able to hire one or two more people to do painting and stuff, so I don't always have to be painting every freaking day. And it's sometimes very tiresome, and it's also a very easy way to get burned out as well because I paint pretty much almost every day. And I would like to have my own little studio office and stuff like that as well, so I can actually leave the house for once and work and give you guys the content that you all guys really deserve. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord. Leave down in the comments what you guys think as well. I would love to read your comments in many ways. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day, guys. Bye.